Mom, Dad, thank you. Thank you hindi lang sa support na binigay nyo in planning this wedding. You know, logistically, it's been a nightmare, like organizing everything. Financially, syempre, and emotionally. But also for the years of love, guidance, and sacrifice that brought me to this moment. Tomorrow is a celebration of our love, but we hope that it stands as a tribute to the love you've always shown us. So, the foundation that we're building our marriage on. Growing up, you were my first source of comfort and strength. I've always loved horror movies. Being a Halloween baby, October 31 kasi birthday ko. Hindi rin na kasi kagad ng nanay ko bago mag-November 2, All Souls Day. So, minadali niya yun. But also because of Kuya Zach. Diba? Spirit Warriors, Vong Navarro. Tita Jenny would know. But even when I couldn't sleep at night after watching those horror movies, all I had to do was climb into your bed and lie in between you two, mom and dad. Just like that, nawala na takot ko. Hindi lang dahil covered na ako on both sides from the monsters, but because your warmth and presence made me feel more safe. So that feeling of safety, of being home and being completely loved and protected, it's the same feeling that I hope to give Ariel in our life together. You know, a love that just makes her feel as safe, as home, and as secure. Now, of course, growing up, we've had our fair share of struggles. Yung mga pagtatampo ni mommy, panenermon ni daddy, at yung pagiging matigas namin magkakapatid, mostly si Rigo, diba? Joke lang, bro. But through all of that, what always stood out was how much love there was in our home. You showed us what it means to stick together and to forgive, to grow, and to choose love, even in the most trying times. And I pray that Ariel and I can build that marriage that's not only built on love and kilig, but also grounded on the same resilience and commitment you've shown us over the years. The kind that chooses each other every day, even when it's not easy. So, mom and dad, the reason why I'm able to love someone wholeheartedly is because of the love you first shared with me. You showed me what it means. Nasaan si Jericho? Wala pa sa altar. Tapos na yung ano. Talo na sa pustahan. Okay, but you showed me what it means to be selfless, to be kind, to give generously, and to love deeply. And I wouldn't be the partner that I am to Ariel without the example that you both set. So kaya ngayon at lagi, maraming salamat, mom and dad. Para sa lahat, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Now, to my second favorite brother, Rigo. Ay, isa lang pala. Isa ka lang pala. Bro, we've been through so much together. And I feel like we're very blessed kasi not all siblings get along. Pero we share a lot of interests that it was never hard for us to build a friendship despite the 8-year age gap.
Hindi kayo nagkalmutan.
Hindi kami nagkalmutan. Nagbugbugan lang. May peklat si Rigo sa to prove it. But kahit yun, madalas tayo nag-aasaran, especially in our childhood, nag-aaway. Kahit naman ngayon, minsan. You've always been one of my anchors in life, and you've seen me at my worst, but also in my best. Kaya kahit na I don't say it often, I love you so much, bro. Sana alam mo yun. I know I joked earlier how between us, mas matigas ulo mo, but honestly, your emotional intelligence, your ability to connect with people kahit na minsan may pagka-antisocial ka, and the way you always look out for the people you love, that's really something that I admire a lot. So, as I take this next step in life, I want you to know how grateful I am to have you by my side, not just a brother, but as a best friend. And I'm really looking forward to building this next chapter with Ariel, with you. Rigo is our practice child.
I met Rigo, he was this tall. I've known him for exactly half of his life.
Yes, it's 10 years now. Exactly 10 years ago tomorrow.
Yes.
That's when they first met. Now to my lola, thank you. From the beginning, you've been a steady presence sa buhay ko. whether through quiet gestures or thoughtful words yun ni Lolo. Lalo pag matigas yung ulo ko, you know, kahit na galit na si Daddy sa akin, kayo yung laging nakasalo at hindi ako pinapagalitan. Your love has always been something I could count on, and I've learned so much from you, Lola. Your kindness, your humility, and how you say that I should stay grounded no matter what life brings. At kahit na wala na si Lolo, I appreciate our time together now. Mas madalas na tayo magkasama kasi than before. Except Tuesdays, kasi may sine ka sa Vista Mall kasama yung barkada mo. So every Tuesday may free sine si Lola with her barkada. But I appreciate it so much, Lola. Our small talks habang nagsistretch ako after a long run, Ted. At ikaw yung nanonood ng Family Feud. Kwentuhan over dinner kung ano napanood mo nung Tuesday. And generally, every time na nasa bahay ka, I appreciated that you're there more often now. Kasi the house feels so much warmer with you there. Kaya, you've seen many chapters of our life, and it means the world to me that you're here to witness this one. So, thank you for your prayers, your wisdom, and your love. And I will carry all of that throughout my life. Thank you, Lola. Now, to my new parents, Mama and Papa.
Oh, kinikilig ako!
Thank you.
Hindi na tito, tita.
Di na. Mama and Papa na.
Officially.
Mama, Papa, thank you for bringing Ariel into this world and for raising her to be the amazing woman that she is today. Her beauty, her strength of character, and her faith are a reflection of the love and values that you've shown her every day. You've both welcomed me with open arms. Though si Mama, medyo mas mahigpit ata yung yakap niya noon nung nagsisimula pa lang kami ni Ariel. Yeah, which is understandable kasi it was Ariel's first year in college, tapos may kung sino na tong lalaking tong umaagaw sa Unica, iha niya. But even then, with that uncertainty, I never once felt unwelcome. You both treated me with warmth and generosity. So, thank you so much po for giving the chance to prove myself. And ngayon, I promise to you and to the Lord that with all my heart, I will honor and protect Ariel. I am excited to be officially part of your family because you are both a shining example of how God's love radiates in a marriage. And I will do my best to mirror that same kind of Christ-centered love in the family Ariel and I will build. Ariel's brothers, Kuya Mark, Kuya CJ and Derek, thank you. Thank you for all the support you've given us since day one. When Ariel and I were just starting out, I had a small fear na baka kuyugin niyo ako. Siyempre, that you'd be super overprotective kay Ariel. Siyempre, di ba, knowing na nag-iisang babaeng kapatid, tatlong kapatid na mas malalaki sa akin, sino ba naman di matatakot? But that was so far from the truth, and you've always been respectful and quietly supportive for the both of us. In ways that really mean so much to me. So yun, Kuya Mark, Ariel mentioned that you've always been a constant inspiration to her, whether in ACADS, in your faith, and just seeing how dependable you are as a kuya. So that kind of strength and leadership is something I really admire and hope to emulate, especially as I take this new role as a husband and eventually a father. Kuya CJ, you were the first to really talk to me and make me really comfortable. That early conversation helped ease a lot of nerves. And seeing how dedicated you are in your career, but at the same time, how much you still prioritize family and how generous you are with all of us is something I truly look up to. Derek, lately, since ikaw na lang kasama ni Ariel sa bahay, sabi nga niya, alam ko mas naging mas close pa kayo, especially doing me late night food cravings. But yun, kaya siguro nahirapan si Ariel to reach her goal weight this wedding. No, joke lang guys. 10 kilos lost. This wedding. She started 74 kilos January. Now at 63.
Sana all!
Medyo in shop lang this weekend kasi nag-carrot cake na siya. But honestly, thank you for being her go-to person at home. For being the kind of brother she can rely on, lalo na nitong wedding season when she's super busy at nauutusan kang magluto at tumulong sa meal prep niya. So it's been such a gift to be welcomed by all three of you, and I am excited for the bond that we'll be building, not just as in-laws but as brothers as well. Sorry ang haba po. Pero to close na lang, To everyone that made the trip here, whether short or far, thank you so much. Hindi lang to about sa amin ni Ariel, but it's also about how you've all shaped us and the love that we are celebrating tomorrow. So, bukas na lang natin tuloy yung iyakan, please. For now, let's eat, let's drink, and just chill kasi bukas may panibagong round na naman. So, thank you everyone. We love you all. Thank you.
Love you.